All right, let's look at the crypto market now. Ladi, I hear the EU plans to make Bitcoin transfers more traceable. Now, the proposed changes would force companies that transfer Bitcoin or other crypto assets to collect details on the recipient
Yeah.
and, of course, senders. I think this is good for the market. At least it will
Yeah.
help boost some confidence, isn't it?
Exactly. It's quite good because if I were to send you a Bitcoin now, from my Bitcoin address, it'll just be between you and I. Only you and I know about this transaction, but nobody else knows who owns, what address. So this will help, mitigates the money laundering issues, and
That's part
those
of
are
the
basically the
regulation we're
concerns. Yes,
talking
with
about.
regulation and all
Yeah.
that. So it is a good thing for crypto, and the EU has been weighing on the crypto market for a while now. The market is quite green this morning. We've seen a bounce. Bitcoin hitting as low as $29,360, and we got that bounce this morning. So it's green across board. Ethereum, BNB, all the major altcoins, all in the green. The market cap has popped up there by $1.25 trillion. The total crypto market cap up 4.64%. 24-hour volume is down at 8 a.m. this morning at $63.14 billion. And we see Bitcoin dominance still ranging between the 45 and 47% range. Price of Bitcoin, 30,759 at 8 a.m., up 3.56%. 24-hour volume traded in Bitcoin at $21.81 billion, up from the 17 billion we had last time. And now looking at the 1-hour chart, you did see that bounce from that 29,000 region at 8 a.m. And we have the MACD. We had that bullish MACD cross, still tending upward there. The RSI on the 1-hour chart is overbought at this moment. So you might see that little dip there for Bitcoin and intraday. Price of Ethereum, $1,868, up about 6.54%. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopata now to weigh in. Hello, Gilbert. Happy holidays.
Yeah, we should say, Mr. Ladi.
All right. So the EU has been weighing on crypto for a few days now, talking about ban on anonymous wallets. What's going on there?
Okay, I think there are so many signals telling us how mainstream the cryptocurrency market is going. And whenever you see any cryptocurrency company pushing mainstream, you also see regulatory body coming in. Like you could see with Binance right now. When Bitfinex was more like the major exchange, we saw regulatory bodies coming in as well. So right now, the EU planning to regulate cryptocurrency wallets tells us that in any way the government wants to play a large role in taking cryptocurrency mainstream. But what we should be looking at is the fact that these currencies are designed to function independently. So how do you regulate a decentralized ledger? So I actually think anonymous wallet will always remain anonymous. They exist. Anybody can always sell, like you could send transactions on them. But this regulation is going to be more effective if they are looking at centralized exchanges. That is where we are going to see the regulation going to be possible.
Because it will be quite difficult to track decentralized exchanges.
No, you just can't regulate decentralized exchanges in terms of the ledger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
That way.
Or you can finish your thought.
Okay, so I am looking more at the centralized exchanges, and then we have a way of pushing also centralized, which is custodial wallet. Custodial wallet also, this is what I'm looking at. They are going to bring in their heavy regulations on.
Okay. All right. So it's green across board this morning. What do you think is pushing sentiment this morning?
Okay, it was nice actually seeing the bulls defend this range. But the thing is, market always goes up because there are more buyers than sellers. But people will always look for narratives to it. So if we are looking for a narrative, then let's give it to the Bitcoin event, which is holding today. which Jack Dorsey of Twitter, Catherine Wood of ARK Invest, and Elon Musk of Tesla will be speaking. Knowing that these are major influencers in the cryptocurrency space, especially Elon Musk, which we know his tweets and words from him drives volatility. If we look at the fact that Tesla is down in their investment, we expect that he may say something positive this time around, something that could help the market recover. So I think the fact that maybe people are looking forward to that help the bulls to defend this particular range. But typically, I know that market goes up because we have more buyers than sellers. But if they are looking for a narrative, let's give it to this.
Okay. All right, Gilbert, always great to talk to you. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is mine.
Yeah, Jimmy, top odds by market cap, BNB all up, green, Doge 18 cents up 9%, XRP 54 cents up 3.12%. It's not looking bad this morning.
Well, of course, in every market, we look for one narrative, to describe whatever is happening in the market. So just as Gilbert said, let's hope Elon says something positive that will continue to drive that bullish trend that we have seen this morning. And let's hope that Bitcoin continues to, trend higher as expected.
But I feel Elon's power on the market is waning at this point. I don't know. I just feel it's not as strong as before.
Well, we'll see how that we'll see how that goes.
We'll
I mean, after the event, the Bitcoin event that they have today.
Exactly.